Alexa, what is the rainiest city in the UK?
From chess.com. The rainiest city in the UK is Cardiff, receiving 1,152 millimeters of rainfall each year.
Thank you. Yes, and this is where I live. A Greek lives in the rainiest city in the UK. Believe it or not, it's raining again. Second day that I actually woke up at before 5 a.m. this morning, and my eyes look like I haven't slept for over half a day, which is actually true. Very, very productive day, an amazing 1 hour call with Norma. It is just very, very funny what just happens from a referral, or what can happen, who you can meet and who you can talk to and learn about their business from just thanking somebody for following you. And we live in social media, and I understand that 99% of the big accounts, when I say big accounts, I mean accounts that grow 100, 200, 300 new users per day, there is not a capacity to actually do a personal message to anybody and thank them for interacting with posts, thank them for following. But for small accounts, less than 1,000, less than 2,000, less than 5,000 that grow like 5 or 6 or 7 people per day, I think it's totally worth, and especially accounts that are business accounts, that are accounts that you actually use to generate business. This is where the most important interaction has to happen. Anybody that interacts with a new person, that interacts with your content, liking a story, commenting, following you, take the time and thank them. It's like if somebody came into your shop, wouldn't you say good morning, or hi, how are you, how can I help you? We look like we're missing this kind of quality in social media and in online business generally, and this is not an art that is lost. It's just, I think we are being rude, and we forget basic human principles of community and belonging and just social interaction. I'm grateful to my parents that always taught me about these values, and I still apply them in my life, and real social or online social, because the people you meet, the conversations you have, either they lead to business or not, they are invaluable, because worst case scenario, you're meeting somebody that is very interesting, with an interesting story, with a different story than yours. Best case scenario, you work, you both benefit and you make money, and you help improve their lives and they help improve yours. And it's not a deep conversation today I want to have. It's just, please, for everybody that has small accounts in any social, anybody that follows you, either is in LinkedIn and it is a recruiter, or it is somebody that wants to sell you something, or somebody that wants to pitch you something, especially in LinkedIn it happens a lot, or something that is someone that is messaging you in TikTok or in YouTube under the comments of your video. Please take the time and interact, especially interact with the people that are negative, especially interact with trolls, because the way you interact with trolls and with negative people is going to be seen by all the rest of the community that is built around a post or your social profile, and will determine what kind of relationship these people will want to have with you in the future. And with this very simple thought, good night from the rainiest city in the UK, probably in the world. I will have to ask her again, and I will see you tomorrow.